Okay guys, I'm gonna be replacing the batteries for this car reader or chip reader. This stuff right here, so as you can see right here, it's showing green and red, right? So it's working, but the battery is about to die. So I'm gonna be replacing those batteries. I'm gonna show you how to do that. It works for the moment, but maybe 3 more days gonna die. So I'm gonna be taking this off. Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna be using like a Star T9 right here. Star T9. Okay. Okay, what we are gonna do next, we're gonna put, yeah, that's the screwdriver right here. So we're gonna take this little screw out. Okay, let's do this. Okay, that's out. Screw right here. Okay, I'm gonna, there's 4 of them. So, okay, I'm gonna, 1, 2, 3, 1 more, and 4. Okay. Now I want to put this back. Yeah, brand new batteries. So I'm gonna put this screw back here and screw it. Okay. Okay, I got the screw in. Okay. Now I have brand new batteries. Let's see. It was showing red and green before. Let's see it now. It was showing red and green before. Let's see if it's showing red and green again. Okay, showing only green, so that means this lock is good to go with brand new batteries. Okay guys, thanks for watching.